easy. इस टॉपिक में ऐसे है कि 3x minus 2 इस तरफ भी मॉडुलस है inequality and 2x plus 8 again मॉडुलस on both the sides. अब ऐसी inequality को सॉल्व करने के लिए to solve this taking square on both sides, taking square on both sides and remove both the modulus 3x minus 2 whole square and 2x plus 8 whole square. Now open the bracket. 9x square by using the identity minus 4 3 are 12x 4x square plus 64 minus 32x. Rearrange this 5x square minus 32 plus 20x and 64 minus 64 plus 4 minus 60 is greater than 0. Take 5 common. X square plus 4x minus 12 greater than 0. Now it is the quadratic inequality. Now how to solve the quadratic inequality? In P1 we have already discussed that topic. X square plus 4x minus 12 greater than 0. First of all, let to get the two values of x minus 12 equals to 0. We're term breaking x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 x plus 6 and minus 2 x plus 6 equals to 0. X equals to 2 and minus 6 are the two values. Now when we want to solve the inequality and the inequality is a quadratic, first of all look at the sign of x square. If it is positive, we have a smiley face and you get these two values. Write down these two values. It is the point of intersection of the curve and x-axis. These are the two x coordinate, minus 6 and 2. It cuts the x-axis, the curve. And then look at the whole curve greater than 0. Whole curve is positive. It means it is above the x-axis. As you know that x-axis and y-axis, it is 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Below the x-axis we have negative values of curve and above the x-axis we have the positive curve. So it is positive, shade the sides. The curve is positive when the values of x are greater than 2 and when the values of x are less than minus 6, the curve is positive. Write down the inequality. X is less than minus 6 and x is greater than 2. It is your answer. If you have a modulus on either side, 3x minus 2 modulus greater than 5. Now by taking square on both sides, remove the modulus. 3x minus 2 whole square greater than 25. Now 9x square plus 4 minus 12x greater than 25. So it is again a quadratic inequality and you have to solve this. If we have a modulus on both the sides, then there is no need to replace the values minus 6 and 2 in the inequalities. It will be satisfied because we have a modulus on both the sides. What is the step? By taking square on both sides, modulus will be removed and you got this quadratic inequality. And if we have a modulus on one side and another side is a constant or a variable, by taking square on both sides, modulus will be removed, get the two values of x and replace. Maybe both the values will be satisfied or one will be satisfied and other one will not. So accept the only which satisfy the inequality. Okay? That is the precautionary measure. Please replace the values and check that the inequality is satisfied or not. Now the basic method to solve the modulus is by taking the square on both sides. You will get the quadratic inequality. That's it, sir. Thank you very much.